So let us have a closer look of this table. Now in this example, or in this presentation, I use 11 columns. The first column is the statement of outcome, the second is topic, and the third column is number of hours. And the next 6 succeeding columns is under levels of intellectual learning. Under these levels of intellectual learning are the cognitive levels: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating under the Bloom's taxonomy. Then the 10th column, that is the total number of items, and the last column is the percentage of items. So that is the table. Now I'm going to chop the tables for a clearer understanding. Now the first 3 columns, as I have said earlier, is a statement of outcome. Under the statement of outcome, there are 3 course outcomes, namely CO1, CO2, and CO3. Then on the second column are the 12 learning outcomes, labeled as LO1, LO2, LO3, LO4, LO5 up to LO12. The third column is the number of hours. So you will notice there are entries there. Number entries: 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7, 5, having a total of 60. What is meant by that? The meaning of that is, in learning outcome 1, you spent 5 hours for that particular LO. So meaning, it took you 5 hours to discuss that LO1. Next, LO2, you spent 2 hours. LO3, you spent 5 hours. LO4, you spent 3 hours. LO5, you spent 5 hours. LO6, you spent 5 hours. LO7, you spent 5 hours. And LO8, you spent 8 hours. LO9, 4 hours. LO10, 6 hours. Learning outcome 11, you spent 7 hours. And learning outcome 12, you spent 5 hours. So all in all, you spent 60 hours to discuss all the learning outcomes from LO1 to LO12.